Okay, we got an ignition problem with this bike here, so I got new good heavy duty plug wires and my last complete Ultima kit before they went out of business. Everything in there new. That'll take care of it. And I got my instruction sheets for Dyna. And we have the bike disconnected, coil off the bike right now. Let's see if they wired it wrong. That'll be the first thing we look at. So, there's a coil. Blue is front cylinder, which is the bottom one. So they had that backwards. Okay, that's white fire when I put it on correctly. I probably hooked it up correctly. And then the front wire is what, pink? Pink is the rear one. Pink was the red wire, that was the rear one. Okay, so they were connected correctly when I reversed them. White's going to be your hot wire, it always is. And they got a black wire for hot, which is not normal how you do things. And pink is for attack, I'm assuming. Yeah, it's green is there, green is pink. So they got the two wires going over here. Don't know where they're going to. Going into this harness here. I don't know what they're trying to do here. Why is it coming back to hot? Something ain't right here. Alright, so I don't know what he's doing here. He's probably feeding it back into the harness somehow. I don't know what he's doing. Bunch of hidden crap here. So one way to find out what your hidden crap is cut this crap open so you can see it. What's we got here? There's our blue wire, that wire. There's a cut wire here. A couple of cut wires there. There's black. What's crap going to? It only goes to battery. I understand why all that junk's going to the battery. It could be why there's a problem feeding in to the ignition module. Probably didn't burn the damn thing up as doing that. Okay, so he had the wires connected correctly, the ones we can see. The problem is the ones we can't see. Might not be right. So that's this mess here. So let's find out what's going on. Nobody picks on Dana modules, but I have pretty good luck with them. They burn up like everybody else's. Okay, let's see what's underneath here. You know, there's something under here, we just don't know what. Yeah, can't get that to pop. Ah, that hurt. I'm not going to be beat by a zip tie. Okay. Let's see what's under here. one yet. Don't know. Keeps going. Came back on itself. Okay. And you just had that shrunk into there to hold it in position. Okay. That's gone. Alright, so that would be easy fix there. Not really a fix, just get it out of the damn place. Put our zip tie right back where it came from. There you go. Good as new. Alright, let's go on the other side, see what's going on over here. Everything disconnected now. Good now. Let's go up to this zip tie. It's another zip tie. What are these zip ties going to? Boom. Reuse it. Alright, get all this undone. Pull all this apart. We'll be back. Alright, got the ignition ripped out of here now. So now we're going to pull out the new one. I'm not using those cheap ass plug wires. The cup that's in there is fine, so I'm going to just leave it. I'm not going to use it. I'll go ahead and put the coil in just for the hell of it. I think this Wintec's fine. There's our module, which is definitely going to go in there. So that will be going in. Okay, so let's see what's going on. The coil. Put that on there just to make sure it's good. Some wire terminals, you might need those. Here's some instruction sheets on how to get stuff done by Dinah. I guess I'll keep that for other people to use. Yeah, real instructions. I'll get this thing over here. Pain in the ass having to rebuild all this stuff, but oh well. Fun, fun, fun. Okay. Boom. Bang it. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, we gotta reset everything on this. Where's my small screwdriver at? Somewhere. It's not too small. Okay, so we gotta set this here up. Yeah, maybe not. We'll be back.